Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Mike on Kingdom Wealth. I want to appreciate everyone who has subscribed, who has been watching, and to thank those who have been sharing this channel and introducing many to it. I can see we are growing seriously, and I'm looking forward to share my bot once we hit the set target of 500 subscribers. Okay, so I really appreciate you for liking, for sharing, and thank you for all your comments. Right, so in the past technical analysis I have done, it has been on a higher time frame, like the weekly, monthly, 3 months. All right, but there is something interesting I'm seeing on the chart on the daily time frame, okay, which is the head and shoulder pattern, the Quasimodo. They are similar pattern, right? And this pattern is still showing me that we are still in a bear market. There is high probability that the market will continue to nosedive, right? So what I want to show you now is I learned this from my friend, a good friend. He's very good in technical analysis, and yeah. So the head and shoulder pattern, what I want to show you, look at this Bitcoin charts right here. We have the here, let me just this is the left shoulder, this angle, this area is the left shoulder, and this top here is the head, and this side is the right shoulder, right? So this is the left shoulder, this is we have the okay, let me disturb myself with these drawings quickly. This is the head, okay, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, right? And then we have the neck. So here is the neck. Is the neck of this pattern. Okay, so one of the ways that this pattern is being used to take profit is that you calculate the distance. You calculate the distance from the head to the neck. This is the head. Okay, you calculate the distance from the head to the neck, right? Then you extrapolate, you extend, you copy the distance and put it here on the neck, and then wherever it touches will be your target for TP. This area, okay, will be your target for TP. You can see how price came nicely to this place for TP. Okay, so this is the pattern, and people usually take profit in this manner, calculating the distance from the head to the neck, and then extrapolate it, copy it, and then place it on the neck down to calculate possible place where price will reach or get to before reversal. So this is the pattern. So the same thing I want to show us on the daily time frame of Bitcoin. All right, so let's see. Now here we have our left shoulder here. This is Bitcoin, the daily time frame, right? So we have our left shoulder here, then we have our head here, we have our right shoulder here, and then here is the neck, right? So now extrapolating the distance from the head to the neck, let's see where we are looking at. Okay, we are looking at price to get to this place. Okay, so what's this place? This place is around the 12,000 and 12,000. Okay, so this zone, this area is around 12,000. This zone that you are looking at, I drew it on higher time frame. This is the level of demand, okay, on higher time frame, right? And this place around 12,000 to 10,000. So we are expecting BTC to nosedive to around 12,000 to 10,000 region, okay, based on this calculation, based on this pattern, right? So it's as simple as that. You can see how price is respecting this pattern. See, price came to this side, see how it's, this resistance, see how it, it nosedive. And I'm also using this trend line, to monitor probable path of price, right? So you can see this neckline, price came to this neckline, see it's rejecting and coming down. All right. So another thing I'm looking at is we could have a relief rally. There's something called Christmas rally. You can dig into that every Christmas, crypto always rally. They call it Christmas rally. So if at all we're going to have a Christmas rally, or better still, a relief rally, I'm expecting it to get to this area. There's a form of Quasimodo pattern here. You see, this will be the left shoulder, and this place I'm expecting it to be the right shoulder. So we are going to have a kind of relief rally. I'm expecting price, to bounce off the 20k region and then continue its downward movement. This is another probable, scenario. Okay, so before I can be bullish on BTC, it must break this 20,000 region. It must break this 20,000 region upside, with a strong momentum before I can be bullish on BTC. So if we are going to have any form of Christmas rally or relief rally, I'm expecting price to get to the 20k region and then bounce back. Is it bounce back or nosedive? Yes. So, and then this trend line also could be a form of resistance. All right. So this is a pattern. If BTC will fall, then other altcoins, SHIBA, XRP, Cardano, Terra Classic, they are also gonna follow suit, right? So this is the pattern I'm seeing on the chart. Okay, in addition to the ones I've shown us on the weekly, monthly, and 3 months time frame. All indication is pointing to the fact that we are still gonna continue downward. All right, and this may last for the next 3 months or more. Okay, so we'll keep monitoring the market, checking the market to see possible place where we can now say, okay, I think we are now in a bull market, or the market is about to reverse to the upside down. If this pattern showed up in the reverse case, showing us for buy setup, then I'm gonna show us. All right, so looking at SHIBA on the same daily time frame, you can see the same pattern. We have the left shoulder here, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder here. So price has not fulfilled this right shoulder. So if we are going to have a Christmas rally or a relief rally, I'm expecting SHIBA to come to this right shoulder, this price level, which is around is it 4011, 4012. Okay, and then I expect price to begin to nosedive from this point, if at all we're going to have a relief rally. All right, so before I can be bullish, price needs to break this level to the upside with strong momentum. You can see that these things, this chart, this crypto, they are interconnected, BTC and other altcoins, you see. So I'm expecting price to continue to the downside. So basically we are basically we are still in a bear market. All right, yeah. So this is what I've got to share with you guys. If you like this kind of content, kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, share with your friends and family, okay, and drop your comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Until the next video, remain blessed. Bye for now.